Hello YouTube! Thanksgiving is around the corner, so today we'll be making scalloped potatoes. So let's begin. I've used about half a bulb of garlic here. Cut off just the top and place it in some tin foil. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over it and wrap it up in your foil. Place it in an air fryer at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can add your garlic to the cream mixture instead. While that is going, let's prepare the other ingredients. Roughly chop your shallots and add it to a small milk pan along with your thyme and sage. If you skipped the air fryer portion of this recipe, you can add your garlic to this pan. Add your heavy whipping cream and your milk. Then place your milk pan over medium-high heat and bring to a simmer. Don't forget to season your cream mixture. Once simmering, turn your heat down to low and let it continue to simmer for about 15 minutes or until your ingredients are soft. You can cut your potatoes at this time. I've used a mandolin, but you can also cut them by hand. By now, the garlic is ready, so let's take it out of the air fryer. I like using the air fryer because it gives the garlic a smokier taste, but the recipe is still amazing even if you skip this step. Remove the cloves from the bulb, but save one of the cloves to season your baking dish with. Turn off the heat to your cream mixture and add the rest of your garlic. Once your mixture has cooled, add it to a mixer and blitz it. Let's get your baking dish ready. Use the garlic clove you saved earlier along with some butter and smear your baking dish with it. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of your mixture to the bottom of your baking dish and then start layering your potatoes. After your first layer, top it off with some of the cream mixture and then top it off with some Gruyère cheese. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name and I'm pretty sure I butchered it. Continue to layer your dish with potatoes and then repeat the steps with the cream and cheese until your dish is full. Once full, cover your potatoes with the remainder of your cream mixture. This time, do not top it off with cheese. We will add the cheese as a final step once the potatoes have cooked in the oven. Cover your baking dish with tin foil and place it in the oven at 325 degrees for 75 minutes. You can use this time to prepare your Parmesan cheese. Or you can use this time to prepare other Thanksgiving dishes as well. After 75 minutes, carefully bring your baking dish out. The whole house is probably smelling really delicious right now. Top it off with Parmesan cheese and then place it under your broiler for about 2 minutes. This will make the top layer of cheese golden brown and super crusty and delicious. When you take it out, the cheese should have completely melted into this delicious crust. It just looks, sounds, and smells divine. It's important to let this dish cool for at least 20 minutes before serving it. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!